My dear audience, I was surprised to know the fact that the chances to get a full-time job with huge benefit potential is more likely for a student who has an prior internship experience in their major. This is Group 5. We are a team of 3 members, myself, Takbir Ahmed Khan, and my 2 team members, Dino Fontana and Akash Mukhi. I'm currently majoring in electrical engineering, and I have done so many research projects during these 3 years, and currently I'm looking for an internship as well. And my team member Dino Fontana is a mechanical engineering student, and Akashmuki is a computer science student. So as you can clearly see that we all are from engineering background, and we all are looking for an internship, uh, which is the topic of our research project. The significance of an internship is uncomparable because every employer in today's just look for an prior internship experience, and it is very much likely to get a full-time job if you have an previous internship experience. So the purpose of this presentation is to discuss our research on the topic and suggest on how we can improve, create and optimize an internship program, uh, specifically to design to help students to place them into an internship. So our primary goal is to create a department or an organization which will help students to get an internship or connect with their employers. So the specific organization will prepare students to create their resumes, help them to ace the interviews, and ultimately place them into an internship. So Wayne State, also we will suggest on how we can improve Wayne State University career service program. The purpose of this presentation is to remind our audience that it is necessary to create such a program at Wayne State University, which will place students directly in internship based on their skill, preference, and their interested. We conducted primary and secondary research in order to get a solid understanding on our topic, and found that the majority of Wayne State students struggle to find an internship in their desired field, and it is no doubt that an internship played a significant role in gaining real work experience and make them ready entering into a job field after graduation. As part of our secondary research, we looked for sources that are focused on informing industries on the pros of internship for the workplace. This will provide us with better information on how interns are benefiting the workforce. Even we asked students directly to fill out a survey which has like almost 28 questions, to get an accurate finding on our topic. It is true that classes that students take in their major are not enough to give them real work experience, and students are more likely to struggle to get a full-time job offer if they don't have prior internship experience. So our recommendation is to create an organization or a department which will at Wayne State University, which will do everything necessary to help a student place into an internship. And also our team finds a solution on how we can improve the current handshake interface. So handshake is a source and tool that helps students to connect with their employers and prepare for interviews and get resume checked by a professional. And also through handshake, student can apply jobs and have interviews, and also they can attend career fair. So the structure of this presentation is divided into 3 major steps, which are introduction, discussion, and conclusion. And I'm doing the introduction part. The introduction part includes introducing our team member, our project goals, objective, and problem, and also include team solution and recommendation for our topic. My team member Dino Fontana will do the discussion part, in which he will discuss 4 major points about our research and summarize our finding as well. And then Akash will do the conclusion part, in which he will present the team solution and recommendation, and support our main point as well. So that being said, I would like to hand over to my next team member, Dino Fontana, for the discussion part. Thank you so much for watching.